Hello everyone, welcome to HowToBrowser YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how you can copy a board in Trello. So what is here till the very end, it's very short and quick, and don't forget to subscribe if this video will help you. So now what you have to do, just go to your boards, okay, and then click on the three dots here. Click on the three dots there, right over there, the left star, and then here just from here you can copy a board, which is pretty easy. Okay, you can go to copy boards, and then here you write this, you just give a name. Okay, you write your title, browser, and you click on create, and now you're copying this board to your new board, which is will be called the way you want. Okay, and now you have a new board basically. And I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.